Our good friends at Copper State have sent us our shipment of model kits. So let's have a look at some of the ones that came in, and they're really nice. So let's have a look at the first one. This is continuing their series of World War I armoured vehicles. This is in the German Armour. This is the Earnhardt EV4M1917. I'll get it out yet. This just is a continuation of the whole series of armoured vehicles, which has been well received in the modelling world. They're just nice, beautifully boxed and packaged up. This is a wild looking vehicle with all the extra bits and pieces on it. But as usual, Copper State's normal way, here's the instruction book, and it is literally a book with pictures and photos, and it's very, very comprehensive on where everything goes, how it all fits. Here's all your markings, colour schemes, just what you'd expect from Copper State. They're just so well done. They really look after and present really, really well all the different schemes and all the rest of it. That's pretty cool. There's a lot in this kit, in their dark grey plastic, which they've been using. This is all the wheels. So it's plastic spokes for the wheels and everything else. This is the main body work. It's an amazing looking vehicle. It's got like turrets and all sorts of things everywhere. So it looks pretty snappy. So that's just a continuation. This is all more wheels and structures. This is all part of the body work again. Turret area, side walls, things like that. So that's all pretty cool. There's your decals in the usual way they print them. Very nicely done. Just well laid out. We've also got some clip arts, a little bag. So be careful that when you open the box, it's only a really small packet. So just be careful you don't flick it out and lose it. That's essentially what comes in this kit. So as I said, it's really nice. The detail's good. If you've built any of theirs, they've sort of continued growing this whole series. So they're getting, I suggest, nicer and nicer. There's top turret. I know a number of people or a number of modelers who are basically collecting every single one of these and look forward to each one as it comes out. So it should be quite a bit of fun. So but this is what a lot of people have been waiting for me or asking me when it's coming, how long it's going to be, blah, 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 blah. Here we have the new 1/32 scale Bristol Scout Type C. This is, I'm told rumor-wise, now this is a rumor, that this was one of the next kits that Wingnut Wings was going to be doing. Whether that's true, who knows, because only Wingnuts would know what they were actually up to. But this was supposedly one of the next kits, so it's great to see that Copper State has done this aeroplane, because it's one of those aircraft that really should have been done a long time ago, and it's taken a while. But with what Copper State's got planned, I think with the World War I modelers, especially 32nd scale modelers, are going to be very, very happy with what's in the future. So let's have a look what's in the box. So there we go, there's the box in their usual style, really nicely done. And here we go. As usual, we get an instruction book, a bit of a history, a bit of a layout on what's there. Same styling. I think, having sort of not seen some of the couple of the earlier World War I aircraft kits, I think they're starting to model themselves along what Wingnuts generated in their kits, to the point where these guys now, they take a notice of all that. So it's just nicely done. Everything's shown exactly where it's supposed to go, what color it's supposed to get, all this sort of information here on the different variants. It's just lovely. It's just, everything is so well laid out. And here's all your color schemes. So there's that one. There's the French one, I think. Yeah, that's the French one. There's that one. There's the one with the Union Jack on the side instead of the roundel. So that's pretty cool. And then you've got the dark green one. The kit itself looks lovely. Tailplane with all the little holes and jacks and things like that. That looks quite good. Fuselage. Whoops, what have I done there? Fuselage. Two sides and a lower and an upper by the look of it. So it's a 4-piece. But I'm told from one of the little reviews I read, it's actually really, really easy to put together. So it's got a little bit of detail on the inside there, just for reference, for your bits and pieces. There's the engine, nicely done as usual. So paint that all up, that'll look superb. So very nicely done. Here's your wings. It's a one-piece upper wing and a one-piece lower wing. So yeah, so there you go. That's the lower wing, one piece. So all that, none of that trying to join it all together and get it all line up, because it's all the surfacing. It's all ribbed and everything else. So that's pretty cool. Looks like two different choices of cowls, ailerons, all the rest of it. This is the upper wing. This has got your wheels, nice hubs and stuff like that. Looks like all framed for a gun or something or other there. Undercarriage legs, things like that. What else have we got? Decal sheet, of course. Nice big decal sheet, covers all the colour schemes that they were talking about. So that's pretty cool. Again, be careful when you open these boxes, because there's a couple of little bags of stuff. A bit of etched metal there. This looks to be, oh, it's seat belts. Is it seat belts? No, it's not seat belts. Oh, it looks like just part of the instrument panel or something, or framing. But there you go. So there's that one, and there's a little part for the windscreen just there. So that's so again, just be careful of those two parts. Make sure you don't flick them out and lose them, step on them, whatever. So there you go, guys. You've had a look at it. I hope you like it. It should be in the shops by the weekend. The guys are just unpacking at the moment, so look out for it. Drop in and see us, or jump online and order one. So there you go. So there's that one. But just a quick one. The guys at Copper State also sent us the box art for the next of their World War One armoured vehicles. This is the Russian World War One series, the Garford Polotov armoured car. So there you go. So that's a little while away, but box art is out for it early, so you can jump in and pre-order it.